so in today's episode, instead of doing something in the garage, I'm doing something in the kitchen. We're going to be doing my bourbon ribs. So we're going to smoke these on the grill a little bit later, but to get it started off, I want to take and make a marinade for it. And the marinade is going to be a bourbon marinade. And we're going to do that using Maker's Mark. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to take some brown sugar. And then we need a cup of our bourbon. And we're going to be doing that with some Maker's Mark. And then we also need some soy sauce. So we're just gonna put this in here. We need 1/3 of a cup of that. And then we also need a little bit of Worcestershire Sauce. Not very much of this one though. We only need about 1 tablespoon. We're also gonna be putting hot sauce in here. And the other thing we're going to do is we're going to take half a lemon and we're going to squeeze this in there. So first we're going to cut it open. And then last we need a little bit of black pepper. And now that we have all of our ingredients mixed in the pan, then we can actually go through and mix it all together with the brown sugar, just getting everything put together real nicely. All right, so now that we got the ribs out, we're gonna cut them into smaller sections. That way it's easier for us to marinate them in gallon-sized bags. It's always good to have a nice sharp cutting knife. Gotta be careful with them though, because you can cut yourself, and that would not be good. Alright, so now that we got the ribs prepped and they're starting to marinate, we're going to let these go for a couple hours, then we'll toss them on the grill. Enjoy!
After letting the ribs smoke for 2 hours, we remove them from the grill and wrap them in tinfoil, but not before we add our famous bourbon barbecue sauce. We even add a little bit of our favorite brew to it as well. Be sure to wrap it up tight and then re-add it back to the grill. After you've done that to all of them, let it go for another 2 more hours. Let it rest, and then enjoy. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.